Hi, I'm Andy Turtle, Technical Product Manager here at WAGO. Today, I'm excited to present our ECO2 DC power supply. WAGO ECO2 DIN rail power supplies are the perfect choice for panel builders looking to save time on installation whilst benefiting from enhanced diagnostics and a durable metal construction. ECO2 offers integrated tool-free lever connection with push-in technology for fast, reliable wiring, all packaged in a slim design coupled with high efficiency. This saves up to 95% for low cabinet heat rise and reduced energy costs. A long mean time before failure of 1 million hours combined with a robust metal construction ensures a long, trouble-free life. Remote diagnostics via a DC OK contact and the familiar WAGO lever connections, it represents a very reliable, competitive solution for DC power applications. Thanks for watching, and to find out more about the comprehensive WAGO portfolio, visit wago.com or get in touch with your local WAGO sales engineer.